In this guide, you'll learn how to download Instagram encrypted chats before it gets removed. Instagram has confirmed a major update that is rolling out globally. End-to-end encrypted chats on Instagram DMs will stop working from May 8, 2026, meaning those private chats will lose their extra layer of security where only sender and receiver could read messages. Because of this change, users are being advised to save their encrypted chats and media before the deadline to avoid losing access. If you want to protect your data before anything changes, launch your Instagram. Now navigate to the profile page, click on three bars. Now in the search box type in download your information. Once the option appears, click on that. Click on the option create export. Now select where do you want to export your information. You'll be directed to this page. Now click on the option customize information. Uncheck for all these options, then select the option of messages and media. Then you can click on save and head back. Go ahead and select the date range. Likewise, head back. Select the format and lastly select the media quality. After you customize all these information, click on start export. Instagram will prepare a file containing your messages including encrypted chats if they exist on your account and send it to your email. Once you receive it, download and store it safely on your device or cloud storage. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.